Hello traders, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna share my recent trade which trade on Kotak Mahindra Bank and the reason behind the trade. From this particular trade we made a profit of 47,000 rupees. We recommended this trade on our Telegram group. Please join our Telegram group. First of all, we need to find the market trend. From the long term perspective we can see market is in a bullish trend. Then we can draw a parallel channel to understand the market movement. We can see market come to retest the parallel channel. Then we can draw another trend line like this. Draw Fibonacci retracement to know where the market will get the support and resistance. Draw Fibonacci from the bottom level to the top, and we can see market get support at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. We can place a long position above this level, above this candle, and when it got triggered then we can place the stop loss and target. Wait for the price action. We can see a inverse head and shoulder pattern and it break the neckline as well. So wait for the price action. Our long position got triggered, so we can place stop loss and target. Keep stop loss below this area and keep the target 1:2 risk reward ratio. And we won the trade and we booked the target 1:2 risk reward ratio. This is my console P&L report future and option Kotak Bank, date from 8th 27 August 27, and I shorted 1760 put option and 1780 put option and 1800 put option as well, and altogether I made a profit of 47,000 rupees. Reason behind the trend: first of all, market is in an uptrend. We follow the trend. From the long term perspective we can see market is in a bullish trend. Second reason, we can see the parallel channel got breakout happened here. Market came to retest the parallel channel and market get support at the parallel channel, and we can see the market moving in a parallel channel and got breakout happened here, and market came to retest the parallel channel and got support at the parallel channel. Third reason, we can see a inverse head and shoulder pattern and it break the neckline as well. Fourth reason, Fibonacci retracement. Market get exact support at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. It's a healthy retracement level as well. These four reasons we took the trade and we booked the target 1:2 risk reward ratio. Thank you for watching my video. If you get any knowledge about price action strategy, please like, share and subscribe my channel.